we're going to use AutoCAD to find the middle of 2 points. And this is a super simple command, but it's so helpful. So I thought we'd go over it just to make sure everybody knows how to do it on multiple items. So quickest way, start a line, right click, mid between 2 points, select your points, and that's it. That's how you do it right there. Line, or it could be anything, circle. You can press Shift or Control and then right click to get this box, and then you go mid between 2 points, and then that's it right there. If you want to do a circle in there, it would be the exact same thing. Circle, mid between 2 points, that point, and then you could go all the way up if you wanted to, and then this one, you could just actually use the snap to go there. When you're using text, sometimes you want to get right in the center. So the old way to do it would be to grab a line and then throw it in there and then erase it. And that works. It works just fine. But you could also just grab that right there, mid between 2 points, boom, boom, and then you got it, just like you want. Now for cabinets, can't tell you how many times when we're putting the pulls on there, and we'd put them in here, we would do a line there, and then we'd do a line there, and then move that, grab that, and then we'd go in there, and then we'd have to come in here and erase, which works, but when you're doing loads of these, it's just so much easier to mid between 2 points, boom, boom, you got it. And then once again, mid between 2 points, and there it is, just like that. And this works for anything. So if we want to put this in here, sometimes you can't tell if this line here is even. Obviously, for this one, it's obvious that it's not. So if we were just to grab this and slap it in there, it's not even close to even. So then we'd have to move it over a little bit, move it up. There's no point in doing that. So just grab it, mid between 2 points, boom, boom, and do it again. Select that one and select that one, and then you've got it perfect. Once again, for floor plans, you could put it in here. So we want to copy this door there to there. And we're going to put it right there. Trim this, and we say, well, we don't want the door to swing that way. Then we would use it for the mirror command as well. Click there, and then if we want it like that, then we got it. When we're moving our tags in, it'd be the same thing. We can move it from there if we want it. If you want it in the exact center of there, then you would do to that. Now, if you grab the midpoint of that and then the midpoint of this, it's probably not going to be exactly in the center. So you got to give some thought to where you want it. Do we want it in the middle of this diagonal? I would want it personally in the middle of these. So I would say there, and then I've got it just like that. And that's it. Once again, it's just using, when you're in the command, you can do Shift or Control and right click to get to it. You could also, when you're in command, you could say M2P, and then it will also work for that right there. All right, hope that helps.